Welcome to another episode of Off Point Cooking. I'm Marlon White, and everybody that knows me knows that I'm on a ketogenic diet, so I'm always looking for new ways to make things up. So today we're going to be making keto stuffed peppers using these following ingredients.
So for this recipe you're going to need cinnamon powder, garlic granules, oregano, sea salt, black pepper, paprika, cumin, cheddar cheese, coconut amino, beef mince, onions, sweet pepper and chili. Start by cutting up one entire onion. Once your onions cut, put to the side. Now we're going to cut 5 chilies. We're also going to put to the side. Now we're going to cut the tops off our sweet pepper. Then we're going to cut the insides out. For this recipe we're going to do this for 6 sweet peppers. Now in a small bowl add 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic granules, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Give the bowl a very good mix. Once mixed together, put to the side. Now add cooking oil to a large frying pan on a medium fire, then add your onions. Allow your onions to cook for roughly 3 minutes, then add in your chili. Allow it to cook for a couple of minutes, then add in your beef mince. Once your beef mince starts to turn brown, you can start to turn over. Now add in your seasoning that you mixed earlier. Give your frying pan a very good mix. Cook for further 5 minutes. Now we're going to add our beef mince to our pepper shells that we cut earlier. It will take approximately 2 tablespoons to fill up your pepper shells. Now it's time to add cheddar cheese. Add approximately 1 tablespoon of cheddar cheese to each stuffed pepper. Once completed, cover with tin foil, then place in the oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes in the oven, your stuffed peppers is ready to eat. This has been another episode of Off Point Cooking. I hope you enjoyed. Before you get out of here, please check out my new website. I'll be posting my new recipes to it regularly. The link will be in the description below. Please like the current video and most importantly, please subscribe to my channel.